Hey there, gorgeous. Ready to unlock the incredible power of video? In today's digital world, video isn't just an option, it's a must-have. Why? Because it's engaging, it's shareable, and it gets you results. Whether you're launching a new product, building your brand, or just connecting with your audience, video is your secret weapon. People love to watch videos. They're more likely to remember what they see and hear in a video than just reading text. Think about it. Would you rather read a long, boring article or watch a fun, dynamic video? Exactly. Video brings your message to life in a way that nothing else can. So, are you ready to take your marketing to the next level? Let's dive into the exciting world of promotional videos and how they can transform your business. Now, creating amazing videos takes more than just pointing a camera and hoping for the best. You need a team of passionate experts who live and breathe video production. That's where NE at 10 comes in. At NE at 10, we're not just a video production company, we're your creative partners, dedicated to bringing your vision to life in the most captivating way possible. Our team of talented designers and developers work hand in hand, blending stunning visuals with cutting-edge technology to create videos that truly stand out. We believe that great videos are born from collaboration. Our designers bring their artistic flair, crafting captivating visuals and graphics that draw viewers in. Our developers are masters of technology, ensuring seamless editing, sound, and special effects that elevate your video to the next level. Together, we are NE at 10, your dream team for video success. All right, let's talk about why promotional videos are so incredibly effective in today's digital landscape. First of all, they grab attention like nothing else. In a world of endless scrolling, videos are eye-catching and stop people in their tracks. But it's not just about grabbing attention. Promotional videos also build trust and credibility. When people see and hear you in a video, they feel like they know you better, which makes them more likely to connect with your brand. And let's not forget about the power of storytelling. Promotional videos allow you to tell your brand story in a way that's both engaging and memorable. You can evoke emotions, share your values, and connect with your audience on a deeper level. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your marketing efforts, increase brand awareness, and drive sales, promotional videos are your secret weapon. Section 4. Choosing NE at 10, your partner in video excellence. Now, you might be thinking there are tons of video production companies out there. Why should I choose NE at 10? And that's a great question. Here's the thing, at NE at 10, we're not just about creating videos, we're about creating results. We take a holistic approach to video production, working closely with you every step of the way to ensure your vision is brought to life in the most effective way possible. From the initial brainstorming session to the final edit, we're there to guide you and provide expert advice. We pride ourselves on our exceptional communication, transparency, and commitment to delivering high-quality videos that exceed your expectations. Your success is our success, and we're dedicated to helping you achieve your goals. So if you're ready to partner with a team that's passionate, experienced, and dedicated to your success, look no further than NE at 10. We're here to help you unlock the power of video and take your business to the next level. Section 5. The video production journey from idea to impact. Creating a promotional video might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. At NE at 10, we've broken down the process into 7 simple steps. First things first, we get to know you. We want to understand your brand, your target audience, and your goals for the video. Once we have a clear understanding of your vision, our creative team gets to work brainstorming ideas and developing a concept that's both engaging and effective. This is where we finalize the script, storyboard the video, and scout locations. We also handle all the logistics like casting talent and securing permits, lights, camera, action. This is where the magic happens. Our experienced crew captures stunning visuals and crisp audio, bringing your vision to life. Once filming is complete, our editors work their magic. They'll edit the footage, add music and sound effects, and create stunning graphics and animations. Before we finalize the video, we'll send you a draft for your review and feedback. We want to make sure you're absolutely thrilled with the final product. Once the video is finalized, we'll help you get it out there. We can optimize it for different platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and even create a distribution strategy to reach your target audience. Section 6, DIY, video tips, lights, camera, you. Now, let's say you're feeling inspired to try your hand at creating your own promotional videos. Awesome, here are a few tips to get you started. Attention spans are short these days, so keep your videos short, sweet, and to the point. Aim for 60 seconds or less. People connect with stories, so use your video to tell a compelling story about your brand or product. Good lighting and sound can make a huge difference in the quality of your video. Have fun with it. Try different editing techniques, experiment with music, and see what works best for you. Remember, creating videos should be fun. Don't be afraid to experiment. Make mistakes and learn as you go. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Section 7, ready to wow the world? Let's create together. So there you have it, gorgeous. The power of promotional videos is undeniable. They're engaging, effective, and can take your marketing to a whole new level. And with Any at 10 as your partner, you can rest assured that your videos will be in the hands of passionate experts who are dedicated to your success. Ready to wow the world with captivating videos that get results? Reach out to Any at 10 today, and let's create something amazing together.